Hola, my name is Candice and I am from Joe Schmoe's restaurant in LaSalle. I'm here today to show you how we make our black bean and corn salsa, which we use in a couple different places on our menu. So it's a fresh, easy ingredient that you can make at home. You can use it for a simple dip on its own. You can use it to top salads or throw inside of wraps, or multiple uses. So let's get into it. First of all, I started off by dicing up about a cup of tomatoes. So just your regular tomatoes, dice them quite small. And then we're going to do an equal amount of diced red onion. So the red onion we have right here, we'll just add, like I said, a cup. We did a cup of the tomatoes, so we'll do a cup of the diced onion. And then the third ingredient is going to be the fresh jalapeno. So sometimes you'll find that one jalapeno is going to be crazy hot and the next jalapeno is not going to have that much heat to it. So you might want to start off a little bit smaller, or even give your jalapeno a slight sample just to see how spicy it is. But I typically go with about a quarter cup of finely diced jalapenos when we're matching it with the 1 cup red onion and 1 cup of diced tomato. So we'll throw that into the mix. And then the next ingredient that I have here is finely chopped cilantro. So fresh cilantro. I am a huge fan of cilantro. I would put it in or on anything basically. So I like to go big when it comes to cilantro. I'm going to estimate about a quarter cup for you to use. Like I said, if you're not so much a fan of it, you can tone it down a bit on the quantity. But if you love it like I love it, then go for that full quarter cup of it, definitely. Okay, so next we are going to add, I have 1 full can. So this is a 12-ounce can of just corn, just your basic corn from the shelves that you will not be able to find right now, by the way, because of this whole COVID-19 stuff happening. But anyhow, so we drain out all the juice that's in that, and we're going to add the full can into our mix. And then the next is going to be your standard can of black beans. So this black bean can is one of the no sodium added. I just like to add my own Himalayan pink salt to my particular recipe. So I say no thank you to the added salt from the can, and I'll add my own. But whatever kind of can of black beans that you have. So with the black beans, you do want to put that in a colander and strain it out, because you don't want that thick juice that the beans have been sitting in, for visual appearance and for texture and for taste. So for all of those reasons, just put it in a strainer and rinse the beans before you add it to your salsa. So we have our strained beans right here, and full can. Like to make it easy and use a full can, whatever. So now we are going to add a bit of this Himalayan pink salt that I absolutely love. So we'll crush that in. And then last but not least, we're going to use some lime juice. This is just a lime juice concentrate that I have on hand, but definitely go for your fresh limes if you want to squeeze fresh lime juice in there. I'm going to say that we're going to put at least 2 tablespoons worth of that lime juice in. And then you stir and you taste and you add as needed. So it looks like a beautiful mix so far. So again, this would be a batch that we would make at the restaurant. We like to keep it nice and fresh so we don't make too large of a batch. But if you are having a party or whatnot, this is the perfect amount to be making to pair simply next to a bowl of tortilla chips. And then you're good to go. You've got lots here. Okay. It looks beautiful, it's simple, it's healthy. Your black beans should be on your daily. But yes, every ingredient that's in here is easy. It's either in the cupboard or, you know, it's something very inexpensive that you can pick up at the grocery store. And it's fresh, it's delicious. So thanks for joining me.